When buyers walk into a model home, the goal is simple. The builder wants you to fall in love with the house. Model homes are beautifully designed and carefully staged. But what many buyers don't realize is that a model home is actually a marketing tool. Understanding how to tour a model home strategically can help you avoid surprises later in the process. A model home is designed to showcase the builder's best work. It often includes premium finishes, upgraded flooring, custom lighting, and high-end appliances. These features help buyers imagine what the home could look like. But it's important to remember that many of these finishes are optional upgrades. The base home may look different from what you see in the model. One of the most important things to understand when touring a model home is that many of the finishes you see may not be included in the base price. Items like upgraded cabinets, countertops, flooring, lighting fixtures, and built-in features are often optional selections. Before assuming something is included, it's always a good idea to ask the builder's sales representative what comes standard with the home. Another thing to keep in mind is how staging can affect your perception of the home. Professional staging helps rooms feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. Furniture is carefully selected and positioned to highlight the space. When evaluating the home, try to imagine the room without the furniture and decorations so you can better understand the actual size and layout. When touring a model home, this is a great opportunity to ask questions. You can ask what features are included in the base price. You can ask about upgrade packages and design options. And you can also ask about the construction timeline and available homes in the community. These conversations can give you a much clearer picture of what the buying process will look like. Model homes are a great way to understand a builder's style and the type of home you may want to build, but touring them strategically will help you make a more informed decision. Pay attention to what's included, what's upgraded, and how the space actually functions. In the next video in this series, we'll talk about which upgrades are actually worth the money when building a new construction home.